Alright, welcome to the first of many videos on C# programming. So I'm going to show you my development environment first and create our very first program. So I'm going to go ahead and launch JetBrains Writer. Let's say don't want to send the statistics. Alright, so this is where you'll actually log into your JetBrains account. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. Alright, so you can see that this is now licensed to me. If I hit refresh license list, everything is correct. I can go ahead and activate all of these as well if you want. I don't know that we'll use many of the .cover or .trace plugins, but you have a license for it, so you can go ahead and do that. But then make sure you hit activate there. Now we have a activated license. Close, and now we're at JetBrains. So this is the window which is normally open when you launch JetBrains. So let's go ahead and create a new solution. This is going to be the solution, various solutions that you can create. You can choose a solution name up there, directory, you can create a Git repository. For right now, I'm going to create a console application, which is a .NET/.NET Core. Now here is where you give it the name. This is where you can choose the language, the framework, Docker support. There is this .NET Framework console application down here. Notice that the framework versions here are going to be the .NET frameworks. So instead we want the .NET Core. And let's go ahead and just do hello world. So we can go ahead and create that. Automatically sets everything else. We hit create. And now we have our entire solution and project. Close out of this. So this is the view that you will be most familiar with. So over here on the left we have our Solution Explorer. This is where we can see the project, the C# files that we have. Over here is going to be the files which are actually opened up. Right now by default just the program.cs file is open. Up there at the top is your menu to where you can, well, do menu stuff. And down here, if you've used any JetBrains tools before, this should look very familiar to you. Along with up here is where you can run it. So by default, this is a very simple one-line hello world. It's console.writeline hello world. Go ahead and run it, and we will see down here that it prints out hello world with an exclamation mark and a comma, and then exits.